reaction. Addition reaction. The addition reaction is performed by the unsaturated hydrocarbon like alkene or alkyne. Here, the basic difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon is the saturated hydrocarbon always gives substitution reaction, while unsaturated hydrocarbon like alkene or alkyne generally gives addition reaction. In the addition reaction in this series, first of all, the reaction is the addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. The reaction is known as hydrogenation. The reaction is known as hydrogenation. The addition of hydrogen reaction is known as hydrogenation. In this reaction, the unsaturated hydrocarbon like alkene or alkene undergoing the addition with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum catalyst and gives a saturated hydrocarbon. Like this, if this is ethine, general name acetylene, react with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst or platinum catalyst. Nickel or platinum. Here the hydrogen get added to ethine like this, and the ethine is converted into firstly ethene, then ethane. The reaction is known as hydrogenation. If you want to convert this reaction directly to ethane, CH triple bond CH plus 2S2 nickel platinum so by the hydrogenation reaction, the unsaturated hydrocarbon is converted into saturated hydrocarbon. The most important question here, the most important question is the saturation, the formation of saturated ghee or dalda. The reaction is known as hydrogenation. The unsaturated fat like vegetable oil, that's an unsaturated fat. The vegetable oil is unsaturated fat. It is undergoing the hydrogenation process and it is converted into saturated fat, that is vegetable ghee और डालडा, जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं वेजिटेबल ऑयल कन्वर्ट हुआ वेजिटेबल घी में, डालडा में। इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि द अनसैचुरेटेड फैट इज सेफ फॉर आवर हेल्थ। डालडा के कंपैरिजन में अनसैचुरेटेड फैट यानी कि तेल, सरसों का तेल हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए ज्यादा अच्छा होता है।